I grew up riding four-wheelers and dirt bikes as a kid, so it's really nothing new to me. It's just been years since I've been out riding on gravel roads and so forth. So it still takes me a little bit of, you know, I'm still getting used to it myself, but I'm getting a lot more confident in my abilities, being able to ride in the loose stuff. But yeah, like I said, the key is just remember, don't death grip the handlebars, number one. Number two, let the machine dance in the gravel.